When you enter the home, you enter in a beautiful 2-story foyer with a formal dining on one side and a sitting room on the other. As you walk through the formal dining area, you come through the breakfast bar, which then opens up into a large open concept kitchen. In the kitchen, you have a beautiful large island, perfect for entertaining or prep. And a question that I get asked a lot at my open houses is whether or not the appliances will be staying in the kitchen. In this home, all stainless steel appliances will come with the house, as well as this beautiful custom wine rack. Let me show you my favorite part of this home. The kitchen opens up into a beautiful 2-story, 9-foot high ceiling living space. Also on the main level, you have a full bath that is adjacent to a room that can be used as an office space or playroom. On the second level, you have 3 guest rooms and 2 bathrooms in addition to the master suite. 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill style bathroom, and the 3rd guest room has a full bathroom. So far. A number one feature that a lot of home buyers mention when they come to my open houses is the master suite, and this home does not disappoint. With a beautiful sitting area off the main bedroom area, it leads you to a private, beautiful outdoor balcony. One of my favorite features about the private balcony is the privacy screens and the outdoor ceiling. Leading in from the balcony leads us into our spa-like master bathroom. And right out the kitchen, you step outside to your own little slice of heaven in Peachtree Corners. This backyard serves as the perfect entertaining space. Just a short walk across this cute custom creek and you have an amazing green space to entertain and watch your kids run around.